Hey everyone, welcome back to BitBloom. Today, we have some breaking news that's shaking up the AI and finance sectors in India. Let's dive in. India's finance ministry has just dropped a major directive, banning AI tools like ChatGPT and DeepSeek from government computers and devices. The reason? Data security and confidentiality risks. In an internal note dated January 29th, the Department of Expenditure warned that AI applications could expose sensitive government documents. With cybersecurity concerns on the rise, this move aligns India with countries like Australia and Italy, which have imposed similar restrictions. And speaking of DeepSeek, this Chinese AI startup is causing quite a stir. Unlike ChatGPT's billion-dollar models, DeepSeek's R1 model was built for just $6 million, using way less computing power. This could be a game changer. Meanwhile, OpenAI's chief Sam Altman is in India, meeting IT leaders. Coincidence? Or perfect timing? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned to BitBloom for more tech updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.